In the last week's review and prediction for silver, I had very clearly mentioned that there is a reversal sign and a bullish closer towards the end of the week suggests that the prices might remain elevated and we can see higher highs in silver. That is what has happened. We have seen a retracement and towards the end of the week it has in fact achieved the top of the channel close to 2280 levels. Yes, it has also left a little wick on the upside, suggestive of further bullishness here. What does this mean? How can we profit trading silver next week? Is it going to fly again or we can see a reversal? Which position we should take? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators, that what are the moving averages suggesting, with the stochastic, what is the MACD suggesting, everything we're gonna look, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels, strategy, and the summary of the observation. Watch till the end. And yes, before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment, and press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day and on major global markets and commodities. And yes, you can join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Now let's start. First thing is on the daily charts. Yes, it has formed a bottom, a reversal sign was seen, and since then silver has traded bullish in this channel here. 2280 is achieved, and at the same time this is staying in this bullish channel. But another observation to note here is that it is still very much trading bearish. It is almost at the top of the channel, and hence any price movement above 23 and 2320, any price movement above 23 and 2320 may bring further bullishness. Now it has come to the critical resistance zone 2280, 2320. Beyond that we can see the bullish momentum continuing on the up. So this zone is something you should watch out for. You should be careful. Once the price stays above 2320, the next target is going to be 2350, 2380 and 24, and any breakout above 24 should bring further bullish momentum. Now if you look at on the downside, the support, the base is now created here at 2180 levels. With the support, with the base at 2180, we have seen this rise. This candle has also left a little wick, suggestive that possibly silver may see further bullish momentum continuing from here, taking it till towards 2350, 2380 zone before reversing or retracing here on the downside. Yes, it is staying in this bullish channel, and thus on the downside 2180 levels is what you should look forward to, breaking below which certainly the bears will take. Now also if you look at silver on the daily charts, you will find this was the previous bottom at 20. It has now gone close to it. It has now gone close to the consolidation zone and trying to reverse here. I will come back to the indicators later. Let me turn it off. See, if you look at the movement here, this is the movement in which silver is consolidating or trading. The highs here at 2380, 24 now. This is a major highs. Breaking beyond 24 and 25 is the reversal levels beyond which silver is going to fly towards 28 and $30 levels. I have been reiterating this again and again. Now let's have a look at the week. Likewise on the weekly chart, see, one observation here is the breakout outside this channel. This was the bullish channel in which silver was trading since long. Now this has given a breakout couple of weeks back and now trying to back into the. At the same time, if you look at the observation here, yes, lower lows, lower highs, and still there is bullishness left here. The prices have consolidated. There was a reversal sign. This is the first green candle. Hence a second greener candle with lower highs or around the same levels can be seen here, which might take silver around 2350, 2380 zone, which is going to remain the first resistance zone here on the upside, 2350, 2380. And then beyond that we can see it flying towards 25 as well. But right now what is happening, we have to observe it carefully. Right now it is trading in this steep bearish channel. We have to be watchful, cautious, observant. First resistance zone in between 2280 and 2320, breaking beyond which we will look forward to 2350, 2380 zone. And if it stays above 2380, certainly the bulls will be taking over there, looking forward to 2450 and $25 levels. This is what it appears on the weekly charts. Also on the weekly charts, after the rise, the retracement is done. It has almost achieved the same levels from where the rally has started. It has achieved the same levels and trying to reverse. Does this mean that it is going to rally further? We will have a further detailed look with the help of indicator. Coming to the monthly. Now see, on the monthly charts, the candle has started 22 and it has seen a downward move of $1.3. And even if it is bearish, it has to yield a swing candle or it has to yield a doji. What it will try to do, it will try to retrace a little towards 2350 2320 zone and then reverse from there, and hence mostly we might see silver achieving the highs before looking forward to retrace or consolidate. So yes, the bullish momentum can prevail in silver for a while. First resistance zone we have seen, the second resistance zone at 2350, 2380 is also achievable, but at those levels certainly we may find silver getting major resistance, and then a pullback can be seen towards the end of the month. So yes, in sum, it appears that the bullishness is not completely lost. And if you look at here on the upside, mostly see lower highs were seen here. It has to break past 25 in order to show a complete reversal, which could be one of the distant dreams for silver. Yes, though it is nothing is improbable, it can yield a single candle, it can just continue on the upside and break these highs in a single day. And if everything is possible, specifically with silver. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? Indicators on the monthly charts, prices stayed below the 20-50-100 period moving average. Also, you can see it has come closer towards the 20 months average, sitting at around 2280 levels here, which is going to remain definitely a greater resistance. Also, yes, the $22 levels is a critical support. Prices stayed below this but failed to close the monthly candle so far up below 22. Stochastic has retraced. It has seen a good drop. The MACD, and I talk about this again and again on MACD. See, after a long while, the MACD has seen this bullish cross almost 3 years later, and it has only sustained for a while and not yet. Yes, it has converged, but it has not yet crossed over. This suggests that it is still got little much room on the upside for it to continue with the, as this crossover on silver is seen only second time in recent years, almost in 10-15 years. MACD has just stayed above zero levels for last 3 years only, and hence it has a potential for it to see the up move. RSI consolidating. Coming to the week, if you look at the weekly charts, 20-50-100 period moving average are staying above. This makes this zone completely a good resistance zone in between 2280 and 23. This is certainly going to provide a greater resistance for silver on the upside. The stochastic rising here. The MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. It has seen extreme bearish momentum so far, and a crossover from here can bring bullishness. However, if you look at the twin peaks were seen, and since then the drop, now a crossover can again bring more rally here. And if you look at, see, last time when it rallied, it has achieved an extreme higher levels. Now it is almost staying at zero, so it has the potential for it to move upside as well. RSI rising, again showing a little strength. Coming to the day. Now on the daily chart, see, last week's review, we had expected that the prices might converge towards the 20 period moving average. What has happened? In fact, it has achieved the 50 period moving average and now looking towards the 100 period moving average as well. So these levels are going to remain greater resistance, and then beyond that, the bulls might try to take over for a further rise. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has crossed over at bottom. It is trading with that. We have just seen the one bullish candle here. The second might follow, or it can try to stay bullish for a while. Now, if you look at this crossover is coming at a bottom, and hence it can continue on the upside. RSI is rising, showing strength. And now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy such that you can trade profitably in silver next week. Yes, I am going to give you the key trading levels and strategy to profit. But before that, if you appreciate this effort, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Couple of seats are still left. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, comment, and share is a great support motivation for me. Else, and yes, in order to get the live market updates, you can press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. With that, first let's have a look at the levels to buy. 2280. Yes, you can buy here. Beyond that, 2320. This complete zone is a great resistance zone. Beyond 2320 levels is where the bulls will take over for 2350, 2365, and 2380. This is the next resistance block here. On the upside, we have to be watchful of this block specifically. If prices reverses from here, the possibility for which is very very high, and these levels are also achievable. This is also a very high probability that it can achieve these levels before reversing. Now beyond this, I will be looking forward to 2410 levels, and if 2410 is respected, we are looking at 2450, $25. Chances appears to be less that it is going to break past this zone, but these are markets. We have to just respect the levels. The bullishness will increase as and how it breaches these critical levels here. On the downside, wait. Now see, the support levels are still intact. You can sell here at 2260 as long as 2240. Now 2240 was earlier also a good support. I have mentioned this several times. Is again now going to remain a great support. This complete zone between 2240 and 2220 should be taken up seriously. Below 2220 is where the bears will try to take over. We can look forward to 2180, 2150, $21 levels, and in fact it can trade below. The chances for it appears to be less, but these are markets here. I will still expect it to get major resistance at around this zone, and then 2180 levels. So this complete levels are going to remain a great support for silver. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss. We may see swings, we may see consolidation, we may see prices staying in range for next couple of weeks. Hence trade with caution here, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily updates as well. Thus press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel. Thank you.